Hi, Richard. Thank you for joining me again for another episode of Ask Richard. We have a question that came in on the Quantum-Touch Instagram account, and it's from Lynn. And she wants to know that if you're working with somebody and they have more than one concern, how do you address them individually, or do you address the body as a whole?
I just start wherever I am. I say, which pain is the worst? Well, it's my shoulder, it's my foot, whatever. I just start wherever. There's no set way of doing this. So you just begin wherever you are, at a good spot. Well, where would you like me to begin? Well, how about my knee? Okay, great, let's start there. And what you'll see is sometimes you'll get a secondary pain showing up, or the energy will move to another spot. Like someone's headache may move to the liver gallbladder area. So, okay, let's move to the liver gallbladder. So you chase the pain and sensation, and we don't have to know anything. We don't have to be smart. All we have to do is start where they're saying the big issue is. So it's actually very easy. And it's funny, but I've had people complain that the Quantum Touch class was too easy. But I learned it so easily. It wasn't struggle, but you still have to apply it. So becoming more masterful can take decades. Being good and skilled on day one is easy. Developing the skill to get better and better can take years and years. And to be honest with you, I'm still working on it. I'm still trying to get the energy through myself more fully and more powerfully than ever before, because there's no limit to how deep you can go. So keep working and have fun and don't worry about it.
Excellent. Thank you so much. And thank you to Lynn for your question on Instagram.